Today, let's go ahead and review the Thinkplus LivePods GM2 Pro from Lenovo. So now let's talk about the features. So this Lenovo Thinkplus LivePods GM2 Pro has a Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. This is for a reliable and stable connection. So this Bluetooth offers improved range and lower latency, making it ideal for gaming and watching videos. It also has 13 mm dynamic driver that delivers clear and balanced sound. So the driver is also tuned to provide a wide sound stage so you can enjoy your music. Now it packs a 360 surround sound to create an immersive audio experience. So they claim that this feature is perfect for gaming, watching movies, or listening to music, but we'll test that out later. It also has dual microphone noise reduction technology. This helps filter out background noise so you can be heard clearly on calls or during video chat. Now it's also IPX4 water resistant certified, so making them splash proof and sweat resistant. So this means that you can use them without worrying about getting damaged in the rain or during a workout. So now the Lenovo Thinkplus LivePods GM2 Pro have a touch control for both sides that will allow you to control playback, answer calls, and adjust the volume. Now also, the EarPods offers 4 hours of battery life on a single charge. So the charging case provides an additional 18 hours of battery life for a total of 22 hours of playback time. As you can see the design is like a clamshell, so or a seashell, so whatever you prefer. So it's a nice looking case. It's new compared to the other earpods out there. Yeah, it has an LED lighting to see whether you could track whether or not the battery is full or it's almost out of power. And now let's go ahead and connect this earpods to the phone. Let's see how easy to pair, because sometimes some other earpods are difficult to pair. But with this one, seems like it's very easy. It's easy to pair for an initial setup. Well, unfortunately, this earpods doesn't have their own equalizer. So you cannot tune it or set a preset. So if you don't have an equalizer on your phone, then I would suggest to download an equalizer. So now you may wonder why I use an equalizer. So the reason behind that is because without the equalizer, the earbud doesn't sound good. So the sound reproduction is flat. So there's a bass on it, but the mids and high is just flat. And so by having this equalizer, I use the PowerAMP Equalizer. Uh, it makes your earbud sounds better for its price. Actually, it sounds like a 1,500 or maybe 2,000 pesos worth of earbuds. Just by using the PowerAMP Equalizer. So as you can see, the equalizer that I use is actually includes a lot of presets by different brands. But personally, I use the Shure presets because they have more better presets or equalizers for the music, depending on what music you listen to. So yeah, the sounds are great. Once you've used the equalizer, the sound is great. I For 599 pesos, I wasn't expect that it will perform that well. So now let's go ahead and test the iPhone, or let's test the earbuds to the iPhone. because the iPhone produces a higher resolution lossless audio. There, I cannot get an equalizer that I prefer, which is the PowerAMP. So we'll just rely on the preset high resolution lossless audio that the Apple Music produce. So let's just choose a music to play. Yeah, the soundstage are great. So the bass is there. The mids and high is also good. I was impressed. Supposedly, I'm not gonna make a review for these earbuds, but since I've heard it's producing a good music by just having the just make sure that you have an equalizer, then it is a pretty much very good earbuds. So it's not a waste of money. Basically, for 599 pesos, you're getting more out of it. So now let's test the 360 surround sound. So in this, so in this fight scene, well, the dialogue is great. So it sounds clear, but I don't hear a 360 surround sound though. You can get a 360 surround sound, but it's weak. So yeah, it's a weak 360 surround sound. It doesn't compare with my other headsets and other earphones. Now let's test it in gaming. Now the problem is that the footsteps, the sounds are quite off. So I thought that the enemy was inside the house, but I was just surprised that he's downstairs. So he's on those broken walls. So I was surprised he's there. I thought he was inside the house. So the 360 surround sound is off. So maybe it's just I'm not used to it, but we'll see all throughout the game. Yeah. All right. With this sample, I thought he's on the other side of the door, but he's again on the brick wall. So a broken wall rather. So it's still off. So with this one, I can hear him running, but I cannot pinpoint the exact location, so I'm just free firing. I'm looking at my right, but there's no one on the right. Oh, so he's on my left. Again, the sounds are off. The surround sound is off. This sucks. I was looking at my right because I hear the sound. I heard the sound on my right, but he's on my left. Okay. He's pushing. Okay. Come here, baby. Come here. He's aggressive. Okay. Come here, baby. So I heard him going to the left, but I saw him on the right. So once again, surround sound is off. So it's not a good one. I don't think this one is gonna be a good for gaming. The sound is off. That was the first time that I got a precise location of the gunshot. So I was being shot on my right again, but there's no one there. So what I'm doing now is I'm just relying on the map because the sound is off again. So I'm just relying the map where the noise is coming from or the gunshots are coming from. Uh, okay, let's finish the game. Okay. So what's my conclusion about the performance? So after listening to music for over 2 hours, I can tell you that I was very impressed with the performance with the help of the PowerAMP Equalizer when listening to music. Now, the sound quality was excellent for its price, with the clear, balanced audio with strong bass. Now, the noise reduction was also very effective and it helped to block out background noise so you could focus on your music or calls. Now, the 360 surround sound though was weak, so it's not as immersive as other earbuds out there, but using this for watching movies is still going to be enjoyable. Now, in gaming, this is where the earbud struggles because it's having difficulty pinpointing where the footsteps and gunshots are coming from. So if your purpose is to buy this for gaming, then I would suggest to find other brands out there. Okay. Overall, I will still recommend the Lenovo Thinkplus LiveBuds GM2 Pro. So they are great options for those looking for a pair of wireless earbuds with good sound quality. For 599 pesos, once again, as I've said, you can never go wrong. Okay. So, once again, thank you for watching. I hope this review was helpful. So, if you have any questions, please leave a comment and do not forget to subscribe. So, once again, thank you for watching and you have a good day.